Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll use acceptance and mindfulness to deal with the presence of physical discomfort. Begin by finding a relaxed position. Let your spine get long. Soften your shoulders as they release away from your ears. Relax your arms and rest your hands. And gently close your eyes. Now take a few deep breaths. Become more and more present as you breathe in and out. Call yourself into your practice with each expansive breath. And now, allow your breathing to return to its natural pattern. Without tension, simply inhale and exhale. And begin to notice how you are feeling. You are not changing anything. Simply observe the state of your mind and body. As you scan your body from your head to your toes, notice where you are storing tension. Without getting involved, notice any areas where you feel pain or discomfort. Also notice the areas that feel soft and relaxed. And return again to your inhales and exhales. Take smooth, natural breaths in and out. Managing physical discomfort is very much linked to observation and acceptance. Instead of trying to change your experience, notice it just as it is. Take note of how you feel. Notice how your experience shifts. Whether or not you have discomfort in this moment, the sensations shift and change as you sit with them. As each breath rises and falls, the sensations in your body fluctuate a little bit. Tingling might give way to warmth. Tension might morph into heaviness. Get curious and lean in. Let go of your judging mind and observe your physical sensations just as they are. Pain or discomfort can be challenging to stay with. For the next few moments, see if you can turn towards your discomfort with a sense of acceptance. Just allow your experience to be exactly as it is right in this moment. Your work now is to move into accepting. Move into observing the sensations just as they are. Now, gently repeat the following affirmations in the silence of your own mind. I accept myself just as I am. I accept my experience just as it is. I accept this discomfort just as it is. I release the need to change or control this moment. There is nothing for me to do but just be. Now gently return to your breath and bring your attention back to the areas of discomfort once more. Consciously breathe into these areas. Allow each of your inhales to create just a little bit of space around your discomfort. With each exhale, create just a hint of softness. Inhaling space, exhaling softness. Notice that even though the discomfort might still be present, it has shifted even a tiny bit. Space on your inhales, softness on your exhales. Pain can feel overwhelming and all-encompassing. It can consume us and make it very challenging to get through our days. And though we can't always change our experience of discomfort, we can learn to be with it with a sense of acceptance and observation. As we do this, we learn that our pain does not define us. We recognize that our experience can hold multiple facets all at once. When we make enough room to truly be present, we realize that though pain exists, there is also more to our experience. Tension in one area does not mean tension everywhere. When unease is present somewhere, ease also exists elsewhere in the body. So the next time you find yourself caught up in uncomfortable physical sensations, take a step back. Allow your breath to gently shift your experience. Breathe space and softness into your body and notice the subtle changes that come with mindful observation and presence. Now gently guide your awareness back into the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation has served you well. See you again tomorrow.